Think Together is proud to partner with the K-12 Foothill Consortium and Azusa Unified School District to engage students in work-based learning opportunities like internships that expose them to real-world career opportunities.
Partnerships with the K-12 Foothill Consortium and Think Together have really benefited the community because it creates an amplifier effect, and we can just cover so much more ground and accomplish our goals in such a faster, swifter move. It's a strategic move, it's a no-brainer, everyone needs to collaborate and unsilo.
The impact that I hope these internships have on students long-term is that they first build connections with people in the field that can lead them and mentor them throughout their college years and perhaps even a few years after that, as well as they see this as an opportunity that they can then feed back into their community and mentor other students so that their community can ultimately grow.
It's only been 2 years, and students have already been exposed to a variety of career pathways, including medical, creative arts, engineering, aerospace, and the skilled trades. And we're excited to see what's in store for our students in the future.
This internship has helped me shape my future career goals by definitely making it known to me that there's a wide range of careers in science. And honestly, I think I imagine myself as a researcher now being in this internship, and it's definitely a possibility for the future.
This internship has helped shape my future career goals by expanding my horizon on the perspective of the careers here. And it also pushes my passion for science even more than it already was.
Programs like this are important for the community because they introduce students to higher level careers like biomedical research, which they usually aren't seeing on the day-to-day, and they usually aren't careers that are advertised to the general population.
Our students are thriving. They graduate, they are savvy, they know how to get a job, they know how to retain a job, they know how to network, and they also have a better sense of what they want in life. And giving folks experience is the key for confidence.
In 10 years, I see myself with a bachelor's degree in science for nursing, specializing in oncology or orthopedics.
In 10 years, I see myself possibly being a nurse practitioner in pediatrics and maybe even being a scientist at City of Hope.
So I'm super grateful for Think Together for providing me this opportunity to join this internship, and it also provides students to join the program in our community.